that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed these fun, quick, and easy beauty hacks. And if you end up trying any of them, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear. And of course, if you have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button, and definitely be sure to give this video a like, and go follow me on any of the other social media platforms that you love, like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook. I'm on all of them at JennySue Makeup. So until the next video, I'll see you next time, friends. Bye.